USA, pressure washer perfection.
Hi, this is Michael with Kranzle USA, and to all our Atlanta followers, I'd like to introduce you to ACP Detail. ACP Detail's got great Google reviews and has many years of selling quality auto detail supplies and equipment to the Atlanta area. And now, they're going to start carrying Kranzle pressure washers. That includes the 1622, like we see here, the 1122. Additionally, they're going to carry the KWS series. The KWS series is our industrial version of the 1622. It's more robust, it's 220 volt, and is designed to work non-stop 8, 10, 14 hours a day. So, if you want just a standard detailer machine, or you need something more robust and you're in Atlanta, give ACP Detail a call and they'll help you out. In addition to selling machines, they also are becoming a certified service center. So, if your machine has any issues and you need help repairing it, contact ACP Detail. Welcome aboard, ACP Detail. We look forward to working with you and helping you introduce Kranzle to Atlanta. And remember, Kranzle, pressure washer perfection.